when we want to set a cookie, it's pretty simple. And so all we do is set document.cookie equal to the cookie we want to add. So let's take a look at how that looks in code. Here we've got some pretty simple code, and this code is designed to do just a couple of things. We've got a div that will be our display div, and this will allow the cookie's contents to be displayed in the inner text of that div, so we can actually see the contents without having to use the JavaScript console. So let's take a look at what we're doing here. And if I want to set a cookie, let's say I want to set the name to Bill, and then remember each time we've got the name value pair, so the key value pair. Name or key is name and Bill is the value, and then we have a semicolon at the end of it, and then we've got the whole thing set equal to document.cookie. And so if I run this code now, right, it'll show me the value of document.cookie. Now if I want to add another cookie to that document, I can do that, and the easiest way to do that is through another line like this, and we'll say theme equals light. So if we wanted to theme the website based on user preferences, so I do that, and let's notice that the cookie string now is set up to be a single string. So when I read document.cookie, it comes back as a single string that includes those cookies.